Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Holo Renaissance Gradient Accent. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the gradient today, I'm going to be using some colors from the Holo Taco Holo Renaissance collection. The green is Far From the Tree, and that's what I'll be using as my base color as well. The teal is Venetian Views, and this kind of blurple color is Smalt of the Earth. I'm going to be doing 2 gradient accent nails, and the other nails are going to be skittles. I'm going to go ahead and protect around the nails. I'll be gradienting with a liquid latex. Once the latex is dry, I'm going to go ahead and start applying the polish onto my sponge. Then I'm going to dab several layers onto my nail until it's opaque and the gradient is smooth. And I'll be removing that liquid latex protection on whatever I decide is the last layer. Once I'm done with the gradient and with the extra coats on the skittle nails, I'm going to go ahead and do cleanup. If there's any large spots, I can go ahead and use a Q-tip. And then I'm going to go in with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how these turned out. I was originally thinking of doing some Skittles when I got the Holo Renaissance collection as PR, but while I was doing my swatches, I kept thinking of gradient combinations, and I really love the way these three look together. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can enjoy the holo. And if you'd like to see my thoughts on the entire collection as well as the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Although this was the first manicure in quite some time that I actually didn't do live. I did basically just pretend that I had a chat while I was doing the unboxing. Of course, if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.